Let's talk about how you're gonna take 4K videos on the iPhone. If this is your first time here, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss quick tips and tutorials like this one. Obviously, in the latest iOS 26, you open up the camera, which looks like this, switch to the video mode, and in at the top left, you have the button with the resolution and frame rate control. So you can click there, and the resolution can either be set, in my case, between HD and 4K, and the frame rate is 24, 30, and 60. So obviously, to take 4K video, make sure you have the 4K selected. Just press the camera record button and you're gonna capture the video in 4K, of course. So this is how it works generally. Then, of course, if you switch to the cinematic mode, you have another controller for the resolution. When I go to the slow motion, you can see that it only lets me use HD. So it kind of depends on which mode you're going with. Keep in mind that you can check out the settings app of the iPhone where the camera settings are present. And when you see the list at the first thing on the top of it is the record video option. And this is basically the default setting for it. So naturally you can go with the as low as 720p, but then there is the also 1080p and 4K, and the point is to pick the one you want to use by default. So every time you open up the camera, this is going to be the first setting that you go with. So if you always just capture 4K at 30, just like I do, make sure you have it selected in the settings. So when you open up the camera, then the first video option is going to be this. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to set it up and make it work the way that you wanted. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you later in the future tutorials and videos like this one.